case.
I have phone case.
That must be for me.
No!
Maybe that's mine.
No.
Only is for me because I have a
What is that?
The iPod Touch.
Oh my god, a necklace!
Did Santa trick you?
I got a necklace. I couldn't put it in my
Can you open it?
box.
I think Santa tricked you. He put it in your stocking instead of your pile. Well, hold on. Everyone's still doing stuff.
That's a pen. BFF. I can give this to one of my friends.
That's all I have. Camera!
Oh, we got a camera. Hey, Nicholas, now that's expensive. You can't buy the
I
$5.
need another one. I need another one. I need another one.
Let's get some of your paper up.
Oh, Judy pen.
Ooh, another girl.
Emma, did you even open this?
Oh, cool.
That's it.